Guikara kia meraho ya umuthi kiuma gia bata kuri Ngabana Okoth Obado uria uraire njera-ini ya industrial area amunikio kiuma giteme mwerekera Itua-ini ria kana niakurekirio na mbundi kana mwena wa thitango ukiregana na riendekithia ria kumurekia ukineana riboti ya afitha wa ruhonge rwa uthuthuria akiuga arekio aya guthoga uthuthuria. Makiria Obado matongoretio ni uria wari jaji wa igooti nene Nicholas Obinja makinyoruria itumi cia mwena wa thitango mahinyiriria kumuima mbundi ni kwagarara kihoto giake ta uria gatiba yugite.
An accused person should not be deprived of his liberty save in very exceptional circumstances, which is not the case.
I point this, my lady, from the beginning, that the right to bail is not absolute. It is one of those rights which I said may be limited if there exists compelling reasons or circumstances.
Nake Cliff Ombeta akioerera kuhura itumi cia mwena wa thitango auga itumi ciao tiginyaniru.
I must say that the prosecution with this affidavit that they have brought to court today, they have missed their target. And if they have missed their target, Your Honor, then that compelling reason is absent. And therefore this particular act then turns, it evolves, it takes a life of its own and becomes a total right.
Nobody can be able to terminate a constitutional right, but the courts have powers to limit constitutional rights, except the rights under Article 25.
Nigikaro-ini giki mwena wa thitango uhithuririe riciria ria uria kuongerera Ngabana uyu thitango ingi ya uragani kuona Sharon oragirwo hamwe na mwana uria ari nake nda.
My lady, fortunately we saw that danger and annexed the two postmortem forms to demonstrate that fact. It's not a statement from the bar that we are making, but it's a fact that there were two lives and the postmortems are next to our affidavits.
Na thutha wa guthikiriria miena yeri mucirithania Jessie Lessit acagura gukaheana itua riake aramithi yukite mwerekera uria wonekire kuhahura Ngabana uyu.
Can you come on the 27th for the ruling? That is this Thursday.
Most of night. What time? What time?
It will be 2 o'clock.
Muthenya wa rucio mwena wa thitango ni ureregirirwo gugakinya ekwirwo makiria igooti-ini o riri aria maragiritana na uhoro wa kuragwo gwa Sharon Otieno. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.